The humans took Ripley on the river today instead of a walk. Shortly after getting home, Ripley seemed to notice.
Walk.
In the morning.
Yeah, the river was our walk today.
Tomorrow. We went swimming today.
Swimming today. We swam instead. We went swimming. Remember? This morning we went to the river and he still took us out at night.
We're always looking for other signs of communication, like head tilts or stress yawns.
Before.
Dad tells Ripley they'll go on a walk tomorrow. Then he shows Ripley on the board. This is called modeling, and it's the best way to teach buttons.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow?